another beer review. Ain't nothing else to do on a rainy day. I'm listening to some Bad Company. This review is on a 40-ounce Hurricane. It was $1.55. It's category 5. It's 8.1 alcohol by volume. Be bold, be smooth, be powerful. Category 5 is the world's most popular Hurricane. Hurricane High Gravity brings you an equal bold experience. High Gravity malt liquor, 40 ounces. Brewed and bottled by Anheuser-Busch, St. Louis, Missouri. So let's see what it tastes like. Got an amber looking color. Well, when I look over here it's amber. When I look over here it's straw. It's got a white head. And it's keeping a nice head on it. It's got a lager smell to it. It ain't. I really ain't a good one to tell you what beer smells like unless you got a strong smell to it. But I reckon y'all call it a straw. But let's give it a taste. You can definitely tell it's 8%. It is bold. It's not bold, it's not smooth like the bottle says. I mean, it's drinkable. It's powerful. The bottle said be powerful. So it's powerful. I'd say it has a wheat taste to it. It don't taste like a Schlitz malt liquor or nothing I've tasted. but it's very drinkable. Good carbonation. I like it better with salt. Thank you, YouTube. Have a good day.